Behold Mars, named for the Roman god of war and the planet we've set our sights on. We've sent loads of probes to Mars, and some are still being blown around by the wind. But today, let's take a closer look at this planet, seeing it as if through our own eyes. Mars' gravity is about 40% weaker than Earth's, so falls there aren't nearly as hard. Its surface is surprisingly diverse, with vast deserts and rugged, uneven terrain. But it's not all smooth sailing. Mars gets massive dust storms that can engulf the entire planet and rage for months. But even at high speeds, the winds would not knock you down. The air is so thin that they would feel more like a gentle breeze on Earth. On this planet, we can see a variety of landscapes, from wide deserts to hills of different sizes. But the largest mountain by far is Olympus Mons, rising 16 miles high, which is more than 3 times the height of Everest. But Mars is not all about highlands. Take a look at the system of canyons called Valles Marineris. These canyons stretch for more than 2,500 miles, and in some places reach depths of up to 7 miles. Beneath the surface of Mars, there are tunnels once carved by flowing lava that run deep into the planet. Deep inside, we can find crystal geode formations that might amaze even the most experienced jewelers on Earth. There are also theories that the depths of this planet may hide vast ice caves. And if that turns out to be true, it is hard to imagine what these caves might hold and what elements we could find inside. One thing we know for sure is that Mars has ice caps made of water ice and frozen carbon dioxide. The planet's north pole is incredibly large. For comparison, its area is about the size of Texas, and the south pole is only slightly smaller. Underneath the seasonal dry ice layer, there's a permanent base of water ice that could be a future resource for astronauts. There are theories about geysers at the poles, where jets of gas rise above the surface and then freeze, adding new layers over time. Orbiting Mars are 2 moon-like bodies, so small that some believe they are captured asteroids. Their names are Phobos and Deimos. Unlike Earth, sunsets on Mars appear in a bright blue glow due to fine dust in the atmosphere. And that's not the only color difference. Mars has auroras too, but instead of green, they glow in shades of blue and violet. Now let's use our imagination. If there were beings like us living on Mars, what would they be like? They would probably have to live in icy caves, yet still venture out to roam the desert expanses of Mars. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to fasten your seatbelt. Because we still have so much to explore, don't forget to like and subscribe, as more discoveries await us with CosmoPOV.